We want this to be working is because we've got these hummingbirds that come around, and the bees actually chase the hummingbirds away a little bit. I thought, I don't want the bees. So here we go. Hi folks, I'm going to show you today how to make the quick way and very effective way to make a bee trap if you've got a bee problem. And I've got a little bit of a bee problem on my deck. So I'm going to make a trap, and we'll see how effective it is and how easy it is to make. Let's get started. Take the lid off. No cuts yet. This is just a water bottle that I got a gallon of water in. Okay, so we get our sugar, and we're going to put in, this is about a quarter cup right here. So I'm just going to put in 2 cups, two of these scoops, which is about a quarter cup, total of half a cup of sugar. And I'm done with that. A little bit of honey. I'd say about a tablespoon or a little bit more than that. It's real hard to squeeze. You see that? That's it. By the way, if you hear sounds in the background, I'm sharing the kitchen with my wife, and I've got to get out of here fast. So, okay, there's our sugar. We're done with that. Now, let's put in 1 liter or 1 quart of water into this and mix it up. So I used the Brita water, filtered water, to get the chlorine smell, which would probably repel to some degree the insects. So this lid's bigger than this lid, so we'll just dump it in. So there it goes. That's simple. So now we put the lid back on, shake it up. Now we got our mixture, and take our knife, and now we cut an X pattern or a cross pattern, and you shall see. Okay, so I'm going to try and show you. So you want to make it so you can put your finger in there. This is the 1 gallon jug method. It's always good to have a sharp knife, and that is not one. Okay, so we want to put our finger in there, and this stuff is pretty resilient, but the flies and the, oh, you see that? Not quite. See how that's big enough for a bee? Let me bring it up to you here. There's our bee trap right there. When the bees land down into the water, they need to, you got to have a little bit of laundry detergent in there, or I'm sorry, dishwashing detergent in there. Not a ton, just a lot, just a little bit, so you can, it acts as a, it takes the water, the surface tension out of the water, and the bees will sink in there and die. So that's that. I didn't want to put it in at first because then it'd be all sudsy and everything else. So now I've got 4 entrances, so we'll see how it works.